What is going on YouTube, man? And we are back with a banger video, man. And in this video, I don't know what happened to the intro to this video. I thought I recorded one, but I've been missing a few clips out of my camera for some reason. I don't know if it's just like not pulling it up. So this video doesn't have an intro, but it does have an outro. So y'all just gotta bear with me, you feel me? But like I said, this is the last day of the Daryl Starberg, and this is when we were winning the trophies and taking home the little goodies and whatnot. So we're gonna get straight into it. I know I have been super late on posting the content, but your boy has been super busy as well. I got some new things coming to the channel, so I hope you guys are ready for that. We finally brought a new project to the channel, so y'all stay tuned. I got like 3 more videos I gotta put out after this, and then we're gonna start showing you guys what we just bought. Like I said, it's a new project, so we are about to start doing something else, start doing some new mods, and take a little curve on the channel, you feel me? But we're gonna get straight into this video. If this is your first video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you like the content that you see. Y'all stay tuned, let's get it.
Good guys. I would eat.
Got one more coming up there. You guys want to do one? Okay, congratulations all.
Yes, Lord.
Classes, motorcycle domestic chopper, 423 Randy Schultz from Fort Gibson, Oklahoma, the 03 Harley. Motorcycle domestic custom bagger, we have 455 Bo Brooks from Collinsville, Oklahoma, the 15 Indian. 477 Mike Nelson from Fort Gibson, Oklahoma, the 22 HD Harley Davidson. And then motorcycle domestic custom cruiser, we have 436.
I'm going to take a picture for the backs.
Lord, yeah. Got some things. Got some things.
I want you to take one of my phone too.
What you gotta say to your people real quick? What you gonna say to your people real quick?
Man, another successful year at the Daryl Starberg.
Oh, man, get
Yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord, man. You see, another successful year at the Mopar show. Me and my guys.
Talk to him, nice. Don't talk to him at all, man. Talk to him, nice. Don't talk to him at all.
Me and my guy is taking home a trophy at the Daryl Starberg. And y'all, this show has been absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's one of my favorite shows ever. So like, taking home a trophy for the second year in a row is just crazy to me, man. It's been a long time coming, no cap. And it has been a long 5 days. I am exhausted.
Too long.
We have literally been vlogging for like the last 5 days. And I'm ready to catch up on sleep.
Man.
So we're gonna get these videos edited and put it together. So I appreciate you guys watching the content. Y'all stay tuned for the more videos that are going to come. I appreciate everybody that shows love and supports. And we're gonna catch y'all on the next YouTube video. We out.